you may remember, announced a special crackdown against leaks last year. He said that the Justice Department had 27 open leak investigations. That's a really high number. But remember, the Obama administration was very tough on leaks, took a very hard line, and it obtained telephone records of Associated Press reporters back in the 2013 leak investigation.
It's NPR's Ryan Lucas, who covers the Justice Department for us. Thanks, Ryan.
Thank you.
You're listening to All Things Considered from NPR News.
Thanks for joining us tonight on KUNM. When celebrities commit suicide, other people sometimes do the same thing.
The effect is a small percentage. We don't want to exaggerate it, but when we're talking about this many people, we are talking about real lives lost.
Concerns of a copycat effect, that story in a bit.
Program support comes from Listen Up, New Mexico's resource for hi-fi, home theater, and smart home systems since 1972. Located at 6916 Montgomery Boulevard Northeast, or online at listenup.com.
Mostly sunny tomorrow, high temps in the 80s.